Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a plan with me in my Hobonichi monthly pages using our April specials kit that is limited edition and only goes out for 1 month and then it's taken down and you can't get it anymore. So I'm very excited to use this kit for April. April is also my birthday month and there is something that is going on in April for the shop. So also I've had a request for me to show you the finished pages of my Hobonichi weeks, and I'm going to show you that towards the end of the video. So if you'd also like to see that and how this page turns out, make sure to watch until the end of the video. So let's get started. Okay, so we're back. Now let's go ahead and check out the kit that we are using for today. Once again, it's the 2019 April specials. So the monthlies that are specials come out a month before the month that you need to use them. So April 2019 came out in March, and then the one for May is going to be up in a little bit. Well, it's going to be up when this is posted, or it's probably already past May by the time that is posted. Because I have been lagging, and I'll tell you more about that later. So this is the kit that we have. This is the sidebar, the day covers, the date strips, and then here are some boxes that you can put on the days where it's not April. And then you can also use this. This is the second page, the smaller second page, and you have your bottom bars, your bill due boxes, some script stickers, and here are 2 strips that are for blocking off days. So let's go ahead and get started right away because I've been filming really long videos lately, I've noticed, whenever I had a chance to edit. So I'm just going to scoot this like this because it is very difficult for me to get it aligned if I don't do that, because I am rusty. I'm actually really rusty filming and planning in the monthly, because it's not something that you do very often. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take the left day covers and then the right day covers. Oh, okay. Let's try that again. Sorry about that. Oh, let's fix ourselves. There we go. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take the second page and I'm gonna put down over here my bottom bars. I'm gonna put this over here. And then I'm gonna put this over here. So these bottom bars will have they'll have 1 topic each. This is going to be my April favorites, my deadly obsessions. And then here is going to have my goals and anything that's happening this month that I want to remind myself. So now I'm taking my date covers, and this is going to take some time, because I'm going to have to be very, very careful, as this is a very thin sticker and it fits exactly over this strip. And then I'm going to go ahead and talk to you about what's going on with myself while I'm doing that. It's going to be really chatty, but I'm hoping it's not going to be 30 minutes of footage that I have to go through. Okay, so I haven't been editing lately, and because I have so many videos that I need to edit and post on YouTube, I haven't actually been filming a lot for YouTube. So to compensate, I do IG stories of my plan with me. So my IG account, my Instagram account is paperjoyph, and if you want to see my plan with me's, you can go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I do it weekly, maybe two times a week, and it's been working out really well. And I get a lot of really positive responses. I'm actually very surprised. It's easier to do plan with me's on Instagram, but at the same time, you don't get to see a lot because I don't have a tripod that would fit my my phone, which I use for Instagram stories. I have an iPad for YouTube, so it's easier because it's set up really well. That is so crooked. Let's see if it will peel. I know that the 12th is a special day. There's so many special days in April. April is like a month. Not the month, but a month. Did you get it? Yeah. So that is what's happening. But I'm trying to get better at editing because we have hit, you guys, 1,000 subscribers. And I am very, very happy about that. And I really want to make good with the subscribers that I have. You know, there's not, I mean, if you, in the great scheme of things, 1,000 subscribers is nothing. But I love each and every subscriber that I have. And I really want to do better for YouTube. And I promise that I will try my very, very hardest to be able to edit. Because I do have a lot of other things that is going on. The other things will be for other months. I'll talk about it in other months, but for April, I'm going to go ahead and talk to you about it as I write down on this page. So we have all of the strips done. So the date strips are on here. Let me go ahead and scoot you on over. So originally, this was gray, and red, and, you know, plain. And now it's yellow with the numbers. And I really love this color scheme because yellow is my best friend's favorite color and pink is mine, and it reminds me of her. And there is something that's going to happen to me where my best friend will be there. It needs a lot of organization, so, you know, I like it like this. Alright, so I put down this big box from here over here because this is not part of April. This is already May, and there's no numbers here, as you can see. So there's another box here. I think I'm going to go ahead and do this book with flowers. There you go. That works out great. Okay, and then I'm going to do this lady on the 12th. This lady on the 12th is very important. And then I'm going to do Bunny on Easter. Bunny really is on there for Easter, by the way. And there you go. So next, I'm going to go ahead and use my bill dues. Well, I'm going to use one. So this is for my home and school. I'm going to use one of these for 20th. And then I'm going to go ahead and use this for the 29th. I'm not sure where else I'm going to use this, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to use this here in this month. But I'm going to do deadline. No, happy day. In the middle of the flower though. On this side. I'm going to layer this on top. Just like that. And then I'm going to do happy birthday. On the 21st, my birthday falls on Easter. How cute is that? There you go. I still have a bit of cold. I was down for about 4 or 5 days last week. Not pretty. The last week and no, I think that was the week before. And then it carried over onto this week. So I'm not really that well yet. So what did we do? Okay. Yeah. I think that's good for now. Ooh, dogs. Maybe I have Happy Mail. Ooh, do I have Happy Mail? I'm sure I have Happy Mail here. So I'm just going to save this. Right. So here are empties. So this is the bigger page and this is the smaller page. The smaller page I'm going to put over here. I have a few things on here as well. So this is from Dainty Fox Papeterie. And then this is from Claire Colors. I got it from the Comic-Con that I went to last month. So here's what we have now. So I have this special day right there because that is the day that we will be picking up our marriage license. I am getting married to my fiance in May. So that's why I'm very, very busy right now. And then I also have my birthday on the 21st, which is also Easter, and a special shop sale for my birthday week from this Sunday up until Saturday of the 27th. So it runs for 1 week only. It's not going to be very long, but it's going to have all the goodies. It's going to have all the discounted listing, coupon code, tired freebies, and then we have a mystery grab bag. If this is posted after this day, I'm sorry about that. And those who have bought from us on our special sale, thank you so much for all your support. Okay, so that is April, and this is May. Let me center us. Ta-da! Ta-da! Okay, so this is March. I love it so much. So good. And then this is April. April is just patterns because I wanted to focus on the other elements, and I really love that pattern. I've had this pattern. I've been using this pattern for, this is the second year this pattern is being used, and I feel like it needs to retire next year, but I still love it. So this is a completely new design for March, and this is what we have. I use several emojis from some of my favorite shops. Craftrina, Creative Cat, Whimsical Cat, Miss Caramel. So those are the things that I have. Oh my gosh, I completely forgot I had the sticker. I better find the whole sheet of that. And this is February. So for February, I used this seal sticker from Japan that was gifted to me by my friend, who will also be my bridesmaid. What? Next page. Okay, and then January. And then this is December. Alright, so those are my monthlies. If you'd like to see how this page turns out, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more planning videos as well. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like, you can also follow us on our social media. Our Instagram and Facebook page is paperjoyph. And also you can join our Facebook group for exclusive deals and discounts, etc. It is paperjoyph Planning World. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!